Hello classic. The topic about the French Revolution has been discussing since this week. The French Revolution inspired revolutionaries and freedom fighters all over the world to fight against tyranny and foreign rule. It made liberty and democracy a part of the world's political tradition. The revolution also promoted nationalism. Today, most European countries have a parliamentary democracy along the lines set out by the French Revolution. Napoleon Bonaparte was one of the greatest conquerors of the world. He became a lieutenant in the French army at the young age of 16. His fortune rose and fell during the entire period of the French Revolution. By December 1793, he emerged as the hero of Toulon. He was promoted to the post of general. Again in AD 1795, he defended the government from the anti-government forces, and for that he was rewarded a high position in the army. In AD 1796, France attacked Austria. Napoleon won victory after victory against the much stronger Austrian forces. In November 1799, he became first consul. In 1804, Napoleon became the emperor in France. Napoleon was an efficient administrator. After becoming the emperor, he centralized the government, created the Bank of France, reinstated Roman Catholicism as the state religion, and introduced law reforms called Code Napoleon. Napoleon was an ambitious person wanting to control entire Europe. He started a series of wars. He defeated Austrians at Marengo in AD 1800. This victory established the French power in Europe. In AD 1803, Britain declared war on France with the support of Russia and Austria. Napoleon, instead of invading Britain, attacked the Austrian and Russian forces, defeating them at Austerlitz. After this victory, Napoleon annexed Prussia's land and dissolved the Holy Roman Empire. He then invaded Russia in the winter of 1812. This was a severe mistake. The French army was unable to survive the bitter cold. The tide slowly turned in favor of the Allies. Britain, Austria, Prussia, and Russia. In March 1814, the French army was defeated at Leipzig and Paris fell. Napoleon was sent on exile to the Mediterranean island of Elba. In 1815, however, Napoleon escaped and marched to Belgium with a small army. He was defeated again in the Battle of Waterloo. The British imprisoned Napoleon on the remote Atlantic island of St. Helena, where he died in 1821. The topic is over. Thank you.